Hey friends, if you wish to boot into safe mode on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedures. So the first one is through system configuration. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Now go to the boot tab and check the box for safe boot and then click on apply and then on OK and then restart your computer. I won't do it, otherwise it will restart in the safe mode. So the second method is through advanced startup. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery. Then click on restart now corresponding to advanced startup. This will be the safe mode. And the last one is through a command line. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now copy this command to it, which is shutdown.exe /r /o and hit enter. I won't hit enter, otherwise it will reboot my system, but close all of your files and backup everything, and then you can boot it into the safe mode this way. These are the three best methods. You do not need to use any other method. These are more than sufficient. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.